Students, I am Saifur Rahman and I am going to start chapter light of class 10th science. First, light is a form of energy which produces sensation of sight. लाइट एक तरह की एनर्जी होती है जिससे हम ऑब्जेक्ट को देख सकते हैं. There are two types of object, luminous object and non-luminous object. An object which emit their own light is called luminous object. For example, bulb is a luminous object, that is they emit their own light. But board is a non-luminous object. Next topic is reflection of light. Reflection of light means returning of light when incident on a surface is called reflection of light. Consider a surface at which a light incident, which is called incident ray, and after striking it return back in the same medium is called reflected ray, and a perpendicular draw on the surface is called normal. Laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First law of reflection is the incident ray and reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle I is angle of incidence and R is angle of reflection. Next is ray of light. The path of light is denoted by ray of light, and beam of light means a group of parallel rays of light is called beam of light. Group of parallel rays of light is called beam of light. Image of an object. When we see our face in a mirror, then picture in the mirror is called image of our face. There are two type of image. First is real image and second is virtual image. When light rays from an object incident on a mirror and after reflection from the mirror meet at a point, at that point image of the object is formed. In second case, we can see that light rays from infinity or from far object after reflection from the mirror appears to meet at a point. What is real image? When light rays from an object after reflection from the mirror meet at a point, then the image form at the point, and this image is called real image. Real image can be obtained on a screen. That is, if we put a screen at that point, then image of the far object is formed at the screen. What is virtual image? When light rays from an object after reflection from the mirror appears to meet at a point, then the image is formed is called virtual image. Virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. When we see our face in mirror, then virtual image is formed. Example of real image is if we take a concave mirror in our hand and when sunlight incident on mirror and we take a paper near the mirror, then image of the sun form on the paper. In this case, image is formed by the mirror is concave mirror. Image is formed by the mirror is a real image.